Government sets committee for the successful launch of Go to Villages mission by May this year. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma assured to provide welfare schemes to Meitei inhabitants at Golagans of East Khasi district in Meghalaya. Agitations continue against relocation of Imphal East District Hospital. Kundrak from Kendra Development Committee calls Health Minister Jayant Kumar a liar. Social researcher Sarto Tondana Kom says Band and general strikes from 2017 up to March 2018 reduced state's economy by 354.2 crore rupees approximately. And Moreh police arrest 2 human traffickers and rescued a girl victim from Myanmar in Moreh yesterday. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, preparations are completed for a Go to Villages mission initiated by Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren with an aim to facilitate people residing in remote areas of Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren stated that a committee was established for a successful launch of the mission. He said the committee will make its final resolutions by April 25th, after which the Go to Villages mission will be launched by May this year. Birren made the announcement at the first conference-cum discussion meet on the political history of Manipur, attended by a total of 526 officials of various departments, including cabinet ministers, MLAs and organized services officers under the government. Speaking on the occasion at City Convention Center Palace compound, Birren appealed to all respective DCs and officers of villages in remote areas to submit a report on these villages to the Principal Secretary before April 25th. The Chief Minister maintained that as a civil servant, it is the responsibility of every top officials in the state to assist and help those in need. He assured of immediate actions on priority basis without waiting for funds from the center in times of emergency or calamities in the state. He asserted that various schemes undertaken by the state and the center, including the Go to Village mission, will cater to villages in far-flung areas of the state for their welfares. The Chief Minister also drew the attention of the cabinet ministers and government officials and said that progressive steps undertaken by the BJP-led state government are for people's welfare and appealed for their cooperation. Birren announced that DC Churachandpur and his team of contractors will be awarded the Chief Minister medals and citation on the Civil Service Day observance on April 25th for completing construction of Churachandpur Ima Market on time. Various officers who attended discussion meet raised issues facing their respective departments and proposal to counter the same. The MLAs also presented proposal on upcoming schemes and expressed their expectation from the public offices.
November last ki nong hang bane November ki tarik mari December January February March tha mari sida koina paikhat pangam base ai mayambu. That's why I appreciate you all. Jing the saba ima market kase loina hujik 80-90% ki keno dale on within these 4 months progress se lambi how I get lambi na complaint to mayam accept kara natan hujik complaint tar maro Imphal to rail with Turin, not only Imphal, which I am blowing a thing, Ubiramani. Tabaksit to win a Kalagadi, with Pesana Ibunate, with the cooperation of the Honorable MLAs and Ministers and the bureaucrat officers. Paminar Kanda, talk the Badia Kamai Sige, Madudaki Nasi Turin Tenga, Nasigi, Nakadori Bokai, Flatchida, Kanada Oshu, Hanagi, the minor war situation, the gay, Septo Bungam Gadra in Equina, Kanjaris.
Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, has assured to look into the decreasing number of Meitei inhabitants from 200 to around 50 in the Meitei village at Golagant of East Khasi district in Meghalaya. Speaking exclusively to Impact News editor Raj Nongthombam, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, who is also the National President of National People's Party (NPP), assured to investigate the alleged lack of facilities for enrolling as AAY beneficiary and failing to provide Aadhaar cards to the Meitei inhabitants of the village. Conrad K. Sangma further assured to bring an amicable solution regarding the land record issues of Manipur Bhavan. It may be mentioned that the Chief Minister of Manipur has already submitted a letter to the Meghalaya Chief Minister in this regard.
No, it was an issue that was brought to my notice yesterday by the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, and definitely we're going to look into this matter. As I said, any citizen who has been residing, in Meghalaya deserves to get at least the benefits that they have. But I think for what reason it's happening, I would not be in a position to reply right now. But definitely we'll go in and go back and check out the details, who these individuals are and how it happened, what is the background, what are the reasons why this didn't happen in the past. And if everything is in place, then definitely they cannot be denied the benefit and denied the development that they deserve. We have not really got a chance to go into it in detail. But it seems that there are some issues with the record of the land and documentation and all. But as I said, if everything is in place, there should not be any issue at all. And of course, it's a very important thing for Manipur.
Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur, Yumnam Joy Kumar, and Youth Affairs and Sports Minister, Lepao Haokip, loaded state players Kumukchum Sanjita Chanu and Saikom Mirabai Chanu for bagging gold medals in the ongoing 21st edition of Commonwealth Games at Gold Coast, Australia. Conrad Sangma said the victory is a moment of pride not just for the state but for the entire Northeast and India as a whole. He expressed happiness that the youth of the country are doing well in sports, especially the youths of Manipur, and hoped for more victories in future. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar lauded the two gold medalists and further hoped for gold medals in the upcoming Olympics. Sports Minister Lepao Haokip also lauded the women weightlifters from the state and wished them for their future endeavors.
Well, first of all, I take this opportunity to congratulate Sanjita and Mirabai Chanu for getting the gold medal in the Commonwealth Games. And it's not just a pride for Manipur, it's a pride for Northeast and India as a whole. So I think it's great. Our boys and girls are doing really great in sports, especially the state of Manipur. And I hope that in the future also, similarly, the Northeast, especially Manipur, keeps contributing to the glory and pride of our country and of our state. I
hope that in the coming Olympics, she does well. I'm looking forward to the Olympic medal.
Nungai ngam khai le ta ba tai akhoi gi Manipur silahan president la aga powerhouse of sports kaina lauthok piramba aduga simultaneous adumaina Commonwealth Games ta medal lorakpa akhoi gi pikhraba lepak sigi Manipur haiba lepak sigi mioina lorakpa si aidi hainangai le tena thagat nungai ba phongdok chari aduga moigi punsi da tung da su mai pak pu baisanu si thambin.
People of Kundrakpum constituency once again agitated against the relocation of Imphal East District Hospital from Kundrakpum to Kerau constituency today. Kundrakpum Kendra Development Committee called Health Minister L. Jayant Kumar a liar for not keeping his word. A large number of people from Kundrakpum constituency marched towards Imphal to have a one-on-one meeting with Health Minister Jayant Kumar on the issue. However, top officials of Porompat police station detained the agitators at Lamlong Bridge. Later, a team of 8 individuals were allowed to meet with the health ministers. Speaking to media person, Publicity Secretary of Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee, N. Dijen, expressed disappointment on the situation and urged the Health Minister and the Chief Minister to give a valid response on the issue at the earliest. Dijen stated that people of Kundrakpam constituency strongly condemn the relocation of the construction site for the hospital. Secretary of Progressive Youth Mahila Mandal Wangkhong Haikrujam Ongbi Malem Khongbi warned of undertaking various hesitation until the health minister gives assurance to construct Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang in Kundrakpam constituency.
Health Minister Uriba Jayanta Kumarna Urep Uyung Amuk Tamak Padagi, Koshana Raba, Kundam Kendaki Prajasing, Moro in the Sagolmangi, Makeki Prajasingna, Asumla Pen the Bikola, Laula Libani, Minister Unagi Hadan Live, Omlo Subani, Other Hoshoya, Peter Badagi, Sigmuna Bazitoibani, I going to see Sima Laliba Miamse, Machintiba Minister Eljan Kumar Head, Unatriba Makai, hello.
Quite distro hospital Sarani Haidana, quite fencing Kadana, Yung Tangdana Lazaraba, Mapama say, Kang Kaudana, Kairao Hariba Mapams the Hongi Base, the saying Nakoi Yaninde, I quite Kundrakam Kendra the Lady Praza. Maki hak mat pani haina khoi na lawi akhoi gi hak phangri bawga akhoi gi phangpham thok baje akhoi mat pe yaroi mapham sira gi hongoi haiba magi ayaba akhoi gi waron ta dri bawga akhoi mapham sira sidri bawga khoi jara hengani haiba se akhoi praja khudi maki apamani.
A one-day awareness program on a Lyric Yengminasi program initiated by Chief Minister Biren to provide 6 months free remedial coaching was held at Mayang Imphal Bengun Higher Secondary School today. MLA Mayang Imphal constituency and a Deputy Speaker Kongkham Ravindro, teachers and students of the school took part at the awareness program. Speaking on the occasion, Kongkham Ravindro hopes that the free remedial coaching initiated by Chief Minister Biren exclusively for minority, OBC and scheduled caste students will bring positive change in the education sector of the state. Speaking on the occasion, Assistant Project Officer of Manipur Minorities and OBC Economic Development Society, MOBITS, Mohammad Alam stated that the number of students attending coaching classes at 23 different schools are increasing. He asserted that MOBITS coaching program will be more successful if the inadequate infrastructures at the coaching centers are filled in by the Education Department.
Lamdam sibu semge Manipur sibu chakolange haidadi education system hakule bangang sing mayam se makoi gi education je wanghandabe yaro masida crime rate tholeiba masida huran jithi dawreiba mayam Manipur manung sida education system se nemak pudagi aigi jingjam ni isagi karigumba education system se wang pa leragdi each and every person student lariba youth sing makoi de educated oiragadi crime rate kari lariba akoi chathariba koriba Chalhoida but Hazard Kaki Chali Mamje, Masinem Taraga, Santi Ama Orakpa, Manipur, Harandagi, or Ebasimatasida, Awena Oraga, Apaba, Manipurum, or Habse, Aitazaji.
Like I the labor, Satra, later light of my Amsi Hena Sanchalaga, coaching she out of Nina double times, triple times student do Hengala increase or Nina infrastructure, the Kitang Awata Pale, a quick site to Karadi, Mobisigi director, Napire, school Karada, Adobo Education Department, Sumasikaraga, Yang Sanbiragadi, Chief Minister like Ministry program, say Mapung Pa, Mahichaba do Oirani.
A mega enrollment camp for Chief Minister's Haksel Gitengbang's camp was held at Yungkhaibam Mandap in Moirang today. CMO Bisnupur and Medi Assistant Manipur under the supervision of MLA Moirang P. Sadachandra along with the medical team Moirang constituency organized the camp. The mega camp provided facility to people with disability and AAY card holders in the constituency to enroll for the scheme. Social researchers Sarto Tondangakom has asserted that the state's economy was reduced by approximately 354.2 crore rupees due to bunds and general strikes that occurred during March 2017 to March 2018. Speaking further at the press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Sarto said 23 productive days were lost due to bunds and general strikes between March 2017 to March 2018. He said 127 productive days were lost due to bunds and general strikes, while 179 days were lost due to the economic blockades during 2016 to 17, which incurred a total loss of approximately 2,616.23 crore rupees in the state's economy. Sartu asserted that such bunds and blockades carried out to meet demands of a group or an organization are illegal, and the same was banned by the Supreme Court of India in 1998. He said even the government of Manipur adopted the same on August 28, 1999. MLA Patsoi constituency A.K. Mirabai inaugurated the newly constructed office of Kanglaipat Youth Social Progressive Association KYSPA at Takial Industrial Estate Road today. KYSPA, in collaboration with Transfusion Medicine of RIMS, organized a free blood donation camp at the newly inaugurated office to mark the inauguration. Volunteers of KYSPA lauded MLA A.K. Mirabai for her support in extending assistance in construction of the office from the MLA Local Area Developmental Fund. BJP Lamsang Mandal organized a one-day booth-level workers training program under Rashtriya Prashikshan Abhiyan at Salam Makhalaikai Community Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Lamsang constituency S. Rajan said, under the leadership of Chief Minister Biren, the BJP-led coalition government has brought huge change in the economy of the state. He said the new government removed bund and blockades culture from the state. He appealed to all booth-level workers to coordinate with the government in spreading awareness on various government-sponsored schemes. BJP members from different polling booths of Lamsang attended the program.
Aikoi leiriba praja singa siga gomela siga asuki matik nangnana satpangamba gomenga praja ga gap leiramba mayam mamangi congress government matamda prajana leader Manipur ki chief minister unaba phangdaba sigumba mayam singa se gap leiramba praja ga gomenga leiramba gap mayam singa do handakti siri birena lusingba government asidadi praja ga aikoi government asiga Manipur ki chief minister ga palpika unabagi adugumba miyamgi numit kaidana thambaga tawriba mayam singa se top Manipur ki itihas ta amukta tawgidriba adugumba government ma atoppa government gi matamda tawgidriba adugumba thabak mayam ngasi tawri.
Flood-affected people of 5 villages by Magaji River in Wangjing Tentha constituency held a public meeting at Kangla Youth Club ground of Tentha Mayai Laikai today. Villagers of Tentha, Tekcham, Sapam, Chingtham and Mairenkhul at the meeting resolved to appeal to the state government to carry out sanitization drives of Magaji River from Tentha Thongkhong to Chinkakpi and to late Jilla Parishad member Pradhan and members to take responsibility for the same. Villagers also resolved to notify the authority to shift the mini dam constructed on Wangjing River at another suitable location. One villager, Maibum Nabachandra, said Magaji River was once very clean. However, due to lack of maintenance, people nearby are affected by floods due to overflowing of the river during monsoons.
Hamai Lokon, Pantak Lokon, Amasung Loshi, Haribam from Singasida, Yamna Sound effect Toba Adumba, Mafamama Were, Madame de Turensi, told the number Morga, Sing Shaugi Awab, my ownere. Haribi Singasi, Hairo, Hongjom, Lanten, Sambam, Sapam Texam, Sambram, Amasung Wangjingi, Hariba, Honja Singasigi, Centre Bishing with them, Haribam from Situn Laban. Aduna. Reverse it
Integrated Forum of Organization and Ningthau Kong, that is IFON, under Ningthau Kong Municipal Council, organized a public meeting at Ningthau Kong Public Park today. Resource persons at the meeting discussed on many topics related to bringing overall development in the area covered by the council. Convener of IFON, Ifon L. Krishnachandra, stated during the meeting it resolved to approach relevant authority regarding plights brought on by the National Hydroelectric Power Corporation to people living around the Loktak Lake and other issues including education, health and electricity. Chairperson of Ningthakong Municipal Council, K. Mani, councillor and senior citizens attended the meeting. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring reports on one Zamandar of 3rd IRB Thoubal who shot himself to death in the wee hour today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A Zamandar of 3rd IRB Thoubal, who was engaged in the scout party in connection with the felicitation ceremony for National President of NPP and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, yesterday is said to have shot himself to death with his own service gun in the wee hour today. The body was recovered around 3:15 this morning from the security barrage of Classic Grande in Chingmei. The deceased is identified as E. Santikumar alias Ingotombi, aged 38 years, son of late E. Kumar from Lamaidong in Kakching district. 2 empty shells from his service gun, a 9mm, were also recovered from the site. There are no clue as yet as to why he killed himself. The body is kept at Jennings Morgue in Porompat, Imphal East district for post-mortem. Moreh police has arrested 2 human traffickers and rescued a girl victim around 9:30 last night. Speaking to media persons at the conference hall of Imphal West Police, SP Technopol Dr. S. Ibomcha stated that upon getting a tip-off regarding presence of illegal human traffickers at Moreh Ward number 5, a combined team of Commando Moreh and CID Special Branch Moreh, along with the Moreh police team led by SDPO Moreh, IPS Sandeep Gopaldas Moharle and Assistant Commandant of 8 IR Commando Battalion attached to Commando Moreh MPS Thomas Thokchom, along with Inspector Imphal West Commando P. Tarun Kumar, under his supervision, rushed to the area and conducted almost an hour house-to-house search operation and arrested 2 Rohingyas involved in importing a girl from Myanmar by inducement for exploitation. The police team rescued the girl brought from Myanmar, identified as Toiba Hatu alias Nargis, 20 years, daughter of Abu Subian of Monu Baguna Madila Bahara in Myanmar. The arrested culprits are identified as Saifulal, aged 34 years, son of Qasim Abdul from Banguna Nulafara, Myanmar, now staying at Moreh Ward number 2, and Muhammad Salam, aged 25 years, son of Muzaffar Ali from Gomtidam Banguna of Myanmar and presently residing at Moreh. The victim has also been detained under Foreigners Act due to lack of proper documents. All the arrested persons do not have any valid documents with them, and a mobile phone with Vodafone and Corridor SIM cards were also seized from them. The arrested persons along with the seized items were handed over to Moreh police station for legal actions. SP Ibomcha said it is yet to ascertain as to how they entered into Moreh town. Further investigations are still going on to get more ground details. Muhammad Saifulal and Muhammad Salam are confirmed of involving in human trafficking, especially women in various parts of the world, with another partner of one Muhammad Ismail, son of Wahid Ali from Mayang Imphal, Bengun Maning Laikai. Police said efforts are on to arrest Muhammad Ismail soon. One Maulana Ahmad Hussain, 50 years, from Moreh Ward number 5, who accommodated the culprits, will also be arrested soon.
Rented house ki mapu oriba illegal immigrants thamamiba khoi Maulana Ahmad Hussain hariba mise masidi hojik phogda phangdri khoi hojik ma se sungsoi sona phagani aduga atopamna khoi MD Ismail, son of Mayum Wahid Ali of Bengun Maning Lekai May Impan Bengun Impal West, Koja Pan and Wakan Honari. Makoji Hozik Sapsana, Koina, Kadom de Gila, have a say interrogation with a muy present hydroctree, although investigation present Togini, human trafficking was said that Christianava, Koi Mui Kra, Koi Pan and Wakan Honari, Moy Anima Pavahore, a Lemori using Pagani, a Janava, Tigaliva, Kangu Cres lady. She Sinkina Koi Pasages on Loraga, Missing J, Adu Puduni, Malaysia, the Puduni, Tabuk Piduni, Kotuni, Haragata, where Musia and Kon Kali.
Innovative People's Informant Center in Pak Uchiwa, youth and women warn the state government of launching an intense movement if the government fails to deliver justice to the victim of Uchiwa rape case. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Publicity Secretary of INPAC, Thongam Abomcha said, the 4 alleged culprits released on bail will be produced before Judicial Magistrate of First Class Imphal West tomorrow. He urged to rearrest the culprits with proper charge sheet before the court session starts. Abomcha also blamed Mayang Imphal police for delay in medical examination of the victim and denial to show medical reports to the victim's family. It may be recalled that on March 11, 2018, a group of men in a Maruti Alto abducted the mentally challenged victim, who is a widow, from her gate in the afternoon, raped her, and on the same evening left her at the gate. The name of the alleged culprits are H. Sanatomba, 46 years, from Yangthang, Lafupat, and Samungau, 51 years, from Lafupat, Terapat 2, El Manithoy, aged 38 years, from Lafupat, Tera Mayai Laikai, Salam Rabi, 37 years, from Lafupat, Tera Awang Laikai.
Numitumukta the Pagi, Moy Marie Jazik Bell out the Lerish, Massimo Pagat Piva. Aduga, Akoina Muk Makatana, Chineriba, Moy Marie Kak, or the Via and Chineriba, Walhori, Miki, police, Pazana, Moy Marie, the investigation, Tawiraga, Pagat Piva, Sarsi, Tagat Pimutum, the Mayak report, Toraga, Sarsi, Kitang Tuna, Yam Tuna, Tagalan Biva, Taz, Togiva, medical report, Akoi guardian, the Kusina view, Saliba week, Sigi Manunda, Bella Mimari Zu, Akoi Pazat Pagat Piro, Aduga, Akoina Chineriba, Karazizu, Hariba, Moy Marie, the investigation, Toraga, which Simanunda Pagat Pinava, police, no one of you.
Central Reserve Police Force observed its 28th Raising Day at 109th Battalion Headquarters CRPF Mongsangai today. Floral tributes and salute were paid to martyrs at Quarter Guard on the occasion. Speaking to media persons, Commandant Binod Kumar said, since its inception, CRPF was deployed at many parts of the country executing various tasks. He asserted that CRPF for the past 10 years played a major role in guarding National Highway No. 2 and conveys of FCI bringing in ration for Manipur. CRPF personnel also distributed sweets and toiletries to children inmates of all Manipur Mentally Handicapped People's Welfare Organization in Mongsangai in connection with the day. A blood donation camp was also organized in association with Jennings, where 50 personnel, including the commandant, donated blood. A game of tug of war and cultural programs highlighted the Raising Day celebration.
Last visit of His Holiness Dalai Lama, President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind, and during the visit of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, this battalion was given again task to protect the VVIPs, and we accomplished this task with full dedication and devotion. And it was, my battalion has earned lot of decorations from right from PPMG, President Police Medal Gallantry, to the DG Disc of the CRPF and DG Disc of the Manipur Police.
Artists of Gurukula Cultural Academy showcased a biopic dance drama on the life of Swami Vivekananda for the first time in Manipur. The drama dance entitled Lainamgi Shaktam Swami Vivekananda was performed at Sangeet Kala Sangam Hall in Kurai, Lamlong. Speaking at the chief guest, MLA Yashkul constituency, T.H. Satyabrata said, such art performances highlight lifestyles and issues in society to the people.
Ngasi pangthokadaba drama ni sakonda masu puthokpuido sigi kanama masu maramdi ngasi man tholiba ngasi man samajida thengnariba punamak asi akoina yamna thuna ngasi society sida ngasi mirod sida message oina paujel oina kaimo khar thonu targani drama lila isai filmi puthana do matamda yam sathina thuna ngasi society da ko pa mo ni si masi makan na
Iramdam Kanba Apun Balloop and Social Upliftment Organization of Manipur held the annual Sajibu Kudol ceremony today. The event was held at the office of Youth Welfare Association in Paris compound. The organization presented gifts to renowned personalities of the state involved in the various social issues at the event. Winner of Sumang Lila competition for this year, artists of Tharoi Ahambagi Mahau, were also felicitated on the occasion. The three-day international conference on transforming a leadership for global, social and environmental justice, issues and challenges at GP Women's College concluded today. A book written by Secretary of the Council of Higher Secondary Education of Manipur, Dr. Maishnam Bedyasagar, entitled Trap Spectroscopy and Luminescence Center of Fluoride-Based Thermoluminescent Radiation Dosimeters was also released on the occasion. The author stated that when certain radiations enter the human body, it degrades the body on a massive scale. He explains that his book discusses at length the instrument for measuring radiations in the body, dosimeter TLD, which can be replaced by fluoride and other minerals. Director of South Asia Studies Circle, Jagannath University, Dhaka, Bangladesh, Professor Arun Kumar Goswami also attended the event. Umang Lai Kanba Apun Balloop in a press release informed that a one-day workshop on Tare Sengjang instrument used at Lai Harawa Festival was held at Ukal's office under the sponsorship of Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi. Social and Health Development Organization launched a skill development training program for people with disability at Special School for Disabled Chingaril Tejpur in Waiton Lamkai today. The training program, funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Government of India, aims to empower people with disability with self-employment and enhance financial conditions. Speaking on the sidelines, Secretary of Social and Health Development Organization, Yumnam Dhanabir, stated that the 3-month-long skill development training will give 4 hours per day trainings on animal health workers, boiler poultry farming, gardening and micro-educational technicians.
अखोइना तौजगदोरिबा स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम असी ट्रेड मरीदनी एनिमल हेल्थ वर्कर मसिंगना 90 पुंग चहुम boiler poultry farming machine 90 aduga pung chahum gardener beneficiary machine 90 pung chaniga tara micro irrigation technician machine 90 aduga pungna chani aduga surangna akoina nongmada pung mari mari gi program tobo matamda surangna masi tha ani makhai da gena ahum bogi monong da akoina course completion tobo ngamgani taseng namake haibadi ngasi akoina pathok silver program se disability singi mungi self employed masana masabu simpam bijaba ngamna ba
A one-day awareness program on the negative effects of intoxicant and prevention of violence against women and children was held today. Nopok Apunba Nupi Loop in association with Eastern Popular Club and Yaifa Lamjing Nupi Loop Kurai Sejor Thoinjingjam Laikai organized the awareness program at Kurai Kala Vidya Bhavan, Kurai Thongam Laikai. Spokespersons on the occasion asserted that it is the responsibility of every citizen to counter such social evils and that responsibility starts right from home. Mobile Traffic Lok Adalat was held in connection with the 5th Foundation Day of the High Court of Manipur at many places of Imphal East and Imphal West district yesterday. Manipur State Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with SP Imphal East, SP Imphal West, Traffic Control Police Wing Imphal and Transport Department jointly conducted the Mobile Traffic Lok Adalat. As a part of the Mobile Traffic Lok Adalat, a one-day legal awareness program was also held where vehicle commuters were advised to wear helmet and seat belts while driving. A showroom named RD Graphics Ride for Sailing Battery-operated e-scooter and e-bike was inaugurated by DSP Traffic Police Ratna Ngasepam at Ghari Awang Laikai today. 5 different types of vehicles, including an e-scooter, e-bike passenger and good service auto rickshaws, were also launched today. A fully charged battery-operated e-scooter can travel more than 100 kilometers. Registration and license are not required for these vehicles. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Government sets committee for the successful launch of Go to Villages mission by May this year. Meghalaya Chief Minister Comrade K. Sangma is sure to provide welfare schemes to Meitei inhabitants at Golagans of East Khasi district in Meghalaya. Agitation continue against relocation of Imphal East District Hospital. Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee calls Health Minister Jayant Kumar a liar. Social researcher Sarto Tondana Kom says bund and general strikes from 2017 up to March 2018 reduced state's economy by 354.2 crore rupees approximately. And Moreh police arrested 2 human traffickers and rescued a girl victim from Myanmar in Moreh yesterday.